But this week I just made 3.368 cents. So this is the base of Timebucks on your phone, and this is where you can make money. Like you can complete days. You just have to complete survey to make money.
Who don't want to make money online? You know, there's a saying that you can never enjoy life with your income. You have to have side income. You have to have side income in order for you to have the fun of this beautiful life. You know, you have to have the side income. You cannot enjoy your life from your only one income. So you have to have the side income. That is where these Timebucks come. You can use this Timebucks platform to make some extra money for extra your need. Money is something like that. It's never enough. It's never been enough. The more you have, the more you need, right? And it's okay that you can use this Timebucks for your, side income. Yes guys, Timebucks. You heard of it, right? What is Timebucks? Is it real? Is it legit? Or just a scam website like so many in market? Okay, so we're gonna be talking about Timebucks, that is it legit or it's a fake. So I'm gonna be enlightening that Timebucks is legit or fake. I've done it, so I'm gonna give you proof that I've done it, and the payment proof and all the things you wanna know, you should know about Timebucks. I'm gonna tell you in this video. All you gotta do is just start watching this video and make sure to not skip the video. And please subscribe my channel, like my video, and please share this with your friend as much as you can do. That if you are being helped, try to help to somebody else also. Beside all this thing, if ever someone says you that you are not good enough, I need you to do something for me. Just put your hand up, squeeze the all finger, and just do this. Fuck you. Now let's continue this topic. Let's talk about Timebucks. Yes, of course, this is 100% legit. I've made money over it and I've withdrawn it. Okay, as you can see the proof. So this is the proof that I have withdrawn money from it. Okay, but before you get too much excited about that, yeah, this is legit and you can do something about it, first let me brush some bubble of your, not full, but let me brush some bubble of your, that you cannot make too much money out of it. Okay, but it's okay, if you sitting in home and you can make money out of it in a month, like I can say $20 or $30. Okay, but as per Indian, if you convert $30 in a month, then it's enough amount for you to do your little things, like you can take care of yourself. Let's be very clear, Timebucks cannot make you rich, and you cannot depend on you cannot be dependent on Timebucks. In your part time you can do this Timebucks and you can make enough money to do your normal grocery and daily expenses. You can take it out from there, so it's okay. All you gotta do, you just have to spend 1 hour every day. Okay, just out of 24 hours, just decide 1 hour that you will have to pay on Timebucks. That's all you gotta do. So before you confuse yourself by thinking that how you can withdraw money from Timebucks, but here all you need to understand that you cannot withdraw money from Timebucks until it's $10 minimum. It has to be $10. Then you can apply and you can be eligible to withdraw that money of your. Okay, so just make sure that till you don't reach by $10, just keep trying. Every day just 30 minutes or 1 hour, that's nothing for you, right? To do a little bit, it's not big money, but at least you can make it 3,000, 4,000 rupees in a month. So it's really good. You can take care of yourself. It's not some other scam things. I have done it. I was completely unknown about it. When I heard of Timebucks, so me also I thought that this is gonna be a scam thing. Okay, we're not gonna withdraw it and something like that. But this is 100% legit. So just be relaxed. I can give you guarantee for that. Let's move to phone. Over there I will be telling you what to do, what not to do.
Okay, so from here I'm going to be telling you how to use Timebucks on phone. If you got laptop or computer, so procedure will be still same. Simply go to Chrome, write Timebucks, then click on search. So then this is the page will come up in front of your screen. Click on Timebucks. So you will see this page. If you're new, then sign up. If you're old, then log in. Like suppose I have already made the account, so just click on here. So this is my Timebucks account. I've already made $20 or $30, but this week I just made 3.368 cents. So this is the page of Timebucks on your phone. and this is where you can make money. Like you can complete daily survey. You just have to complete survey to make money, or you can do slideshow or their task. See task, these are the tasks and these are the rate. So there are variety of tasks and their variety of money. So you can complete one by one to make money. The more you will use it, the more you will know. And this is, you can see your earning, and when you will see that you have earned $10, minimum $10 has to be made, then you can talk about payment. Okay, like as you can see, paid. So that's how I have made money, and it's 100% legit. You can make money.
So I hope I explained you well, that you can understand what is Timebucks and how to complete your daily activities to make money, and all the things what need to be done on this Timebucks to make money for you. That you understood, just keep doing it. If you still got any confusion regard Timebucks, what it is, and if you get any confusion regard this, then feel free to WhatsApp me. I'm going to give my WhatsApp number in description, so you can see from there. And please, I would love to help you, as me too, I ask help from somebody. Okay, we are not perfect. Okay, we are not perfect. We have to have help from someone, isn't it? So if you got any trouble, just feel free to text me. I got you my WhatsApp number in description. Take it from there, and just stay healthy and just subscribe my channel in last.